Hi, just as an amendment to the pattern making tutorial that documents how to make something like this repeating discrete element pattern like stars or sandstone or something like that. Sometimes, and in one of the examples that you're going to be using, you have to create um, a repeating element that's made up of separate elements itself. So, for example, I just select all these stars and delete them. Um, if you have something like I think in your case it's lava flow, where it's something that is shaped like this. I can't remember exactly, so don't follow this as a guide, but it's got one horizontal type pattern, and then it's got two little hash marks. What you want to do, this works like the star. If you have it, it has to repeat over the edge. You know, like this. Oops. And you repeat it just like you did before. Yikes. Um, you know, you're repeating it down the edge, and then you're going to duplicate it over to the other side and then fill in the middle. Now the problem here is that if you'll remember, I explicitly stated that when you add elements along the border, nothing can be entirely outside of the border, otherwise it causes problems with the pattern. And although it looks like all of these are inside the border, these little sub-elements are not. They're entirely outside. So what you need to do in this case is, before you start duplicating them, select all the sub-elements, so the horizontal and vertical components in this case, and group them together. So object, group, and then so you have a sublayer which is a group here, then you can then duplicate it. And then even though in this example these two hash marks are all the way on the outside, it actually counts as only one object, so when you duplicate it, yikes, over here, it should match up, and you won't get the problem that you have when you have elements that appear entirely outside of the border like this. Okay, thanks.